In this video, I'll show you how to set up Apple Pay in Stripe. Start by signing into your Stripe dashboard. From the left menu, click Settings, then scroll to the Payments section and select Payment Methods. Next, find Apple Pay in the list of available payment methods. If it's available for your account, click on it and make sure it's enabled. After that, you'll need to verify your website domain. In the Apple Pay settings, click Add New Domain, enter your website domain, and follow the instructions to download the domain verification file. Now upload the verification file to your website at the location specified by Stripe. Once the file is accessible, return to the Stripe dashboard and complete the domain verification process. Next, make sure your website is using HTTPS and that your Stripe integration supports Apple Pay. If you're using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or another supported integration, Apple Pay may become available automatically after the domain is verified. Finally, place a test payment using a compatible Apple device and Safari to confirm that Apple Pay appears during checkout and processes payment successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Apple Pay in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.